to a new vlog and a new adventure, this time in Romania. We're having a hike to a beautiful waterfall and a beautiful lake. We have about 1 hour, 2 hours hike, but the weather is not the best today. As you can see, it's a little bit foggy, and the person that sold the ticket to us said that it's a very danger today. To cross this bridge, it says maximum 4 people at once. Too bad it's too foggy, otherwise the landscape would be amazing. As you can see, the trees are so colorful.
Are you scared?
It's so cold, my hands are freezing. They say in this area we can find this animal as well. It's called lynx. I was trying to say earlier, the person that sold us the ticket said that it might be some bears in this area because it's very foggy and it's still early morning. We have one group of people behind us, and to be honest, I'm a little bit scared to go forward because it's so quiet at the moment, but hopefully everything will be fine. Probably seen already, we have to follow this sign. This is the marking of the hiking trail that we have to follow until we reach the lake. Romanian mountains are very wild, and you can see here lots of wild animals. The most dangerous one is the bear, and you can see wolves as well, but they are more rare, so there's very limited chances to see them. Now we have to cross on the other side because, as you can see, the mark is over there, so we have to cross. I think that way it's a bridge, if I'm not wrong, because there's no other way here. The water is so clean and so clear. If you arrive in Romania, definitely you have to try to have a short hike, at least like this one, and enjoy the Carpathian Mountains. It's my favorite part of Romania. Any trail you choose, I can guarantee is the best hike. It's recommended to make a lot of noise so that you can scare the bears in case they are here. Talking about the bears, I'm nearly losing my voice. I've been screaming to make noises because we forgot to take a whistle with us in order to scare the bears in case there are any around. I've never met one, so and I want to keep it this way. I don't want to ever meet a bear. And it looks like our walking path. We don't see the marking anymore. I don't know if it's the right way or not. We have a little bear here. Hello! Hi! Oh, beautiful! Hello! Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? Who left you here? What are you sniffing there? What are you sniffing? As I said, in the area there are wolves as well. And this cute deer. We have wild pigs as well, but I haven't seen any wild animal today. Some people singing to make noise for just in case the bear is here. I think we nearly arrived at the lake. And we found a place that is more, I don't know, with people around, and you see a little bit of civilization. And this beautiful view. There is a van here where you can buy Romanian traditional meat, it's called. It's like sausage rolls. It looks like sausage rolls, but they're way tastier. And some sandwiches, and there's a cabin here as well. And now you have, if you go this way, you go to the Scropoasa Lake. And if you go this way, you go to the waterfall. And I think we're gonna go first to the waterfall, and then we're gonna come back and see the lake. If you wanna cheat and visit the waterfall and the lake without doing the whole hike, you can come here by car. You just have to put on the sat-nav Scropoasa Lake, and the road will take you here. It's a forest road. I don't know how good it is. It might be suited only for SUV cars. And now we see the lake, but unfortunately there's not a good view from here. We'll try to see, maybe we'll find a better view. I'll show you how beautiful it is.
No button.
We finished visiting Waterfall, which is very nice. I don't know if you've seen like on the top of it, it was like a cabin. That cabin was to collect the water for drinking. That water it's minerals, so it's good for drinking. We are back at the crossroads and now we head into the lake. As in all this hike, it was the danger of bears. As you can see, here is another sign. We have some dogs here as well, which are barking, and I don't know how friendly they're gonna be with us. And this is how the mountain on the back looks like. And we are going on this path. We are walking near the lake, and this is the lake. Look at the color. It's that emerald green. Maybe if we have time today, we're gonna see another lake. We'll see. Here you have some benches where you can have a little picnic. Here as well. It's very quiet. This is the lake. This is the most Instagrammable place of Scropoasa Lake.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man, passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Now we are going back to the car, and afterwards we're gonna visit Bucegi Lake because we still have time for a short trip. There are lots of hikes that you can take, lots of beautiful places that you can see in the area, but everything takes time, so in one day we try to see as many as possible. So definitely, if you come to Romania, you're wondering what to visit, what hike to do, like to be easy, accessible. Obviously you need to have a car, but you can rent it easily. It's cheaper than other places in Europe. You can explore more if you have a car, because obviously in this area there is no common transportation. I'll leave all the details about this hike in the description box, so check it out if you want to plan your trip and visit this place. On our way back to the car, we stopped to have the lunch at that food van. The food was okay, but what I liked the most was the vibe of the place. Eating outdoors for me is one of the best things that I can do, and definitely the barbecue tasted better outdoors. We tried, actually Nick tried the traditional meat, which is a Romanian dish. It's definitely not a difficult hike. You can do it with the children as well. I've seen people here having the little ones with them. The only danger, I would say, it's about the bears, but if you come here on weekends and not very early morning when there are people around, maybe if you want to be sure, bring a whistle with you and make enough noise. Now we can see this area with less fog. still foggy, but not that foggy as it was earlier. This is the area where we left the car, and now we head into Bucegi Lake, which is not very far away from here. It's about 10-15 minutes maximum. I'm not sure. And this is Bucegi Lake. Still very cloudy, you can't really see the mountain behind the clouds and the fog. Here somewhere is a very tall mountain. I don't know if I have any photos, any old photos, because I've been here before, so if I find, I'll put some photos here. I have no clue what they're selling here. What's these bottles? We can't really see the part that we wanted to see, which is on this road, which is closed, unfortunately, so I will show you next time.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out.
And this was our today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys next time.